Hello, friends! Today we're going to have fun learning the English alphabet. Let's learn how to say, write, and recognize each letter so we can start reading and writing amazing words. Let's learn the letter A. A is for apple. Apple starts with the letter A. Apple. Can you say a? Let's learn the letter B. B is for bird. Bird starts with the letter B. Bird. Can you say B? Let's learn the letter C. C is for corn. Corn starts with the letter C. Corn. Can you say C? Let's learn the letter D. D is for doctor. Doctor starts with the letter D. Doctor. Can you say D? Let's learn the letter E. E is for eraser. Eraser starts with the letter E. Eraser. Can you say E? Let's learn the letter F. F is for flower. Flower starts with the letter F. Flower. Can you say F? Let's learn the letter G. G is for gift. Gift starts with the letter G. Gift. Can you say G? Let's learn the letter H. H is for house. House starts with the letter H. House. Can you say H? Let's learn the letter I. I is for ice. Ice starts with the letter I. Ice. Can you say I? Let's learn the letter J. J is for jam. Jam starts with the letter J. Jam. Can you say J? Let's learn the letter K. K is for key. Key starts with the letter K. Key. Can you say K? learn the letter L. L is for lollipop. Lollipop starts with the letter L. Lollipop. Can you say L? Let's learn the letter M. M is for mountain. Mountain starts with the letter M. Mountain. Can you say M? Let's learn the letter N. N is for nest. Nest starts with the letter N. Nest. Can you say N? Let's learn the letter O. O is for owl. Owl starts with the letter O. Owl. Can you say O? Let's learn the letter P. P is for popcorn. Popcorn starts with the letter P. Popcorn. Can you say P? Let's learn the letter Q. Q is for question. Question starts with the letter Q. Question. Can you say Q? Let's learn the letter R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit starts with the letter R. Rabbit. Can you say R? Let's learn the letter S. S is for star. Star starts with the letter S. Star. Can you say S? Let's learn the letter T. T is for tent. Tent starts with the letter T. Tent. Can you say T? Let's learn the letter U. U is for uniform. Uniform starts with the letter U. Uniform. Can you say U? Let's learn the letter V. V is for vase. Vase starts with the letter V. Vase. Can you say V? Let's learn the letter W. W is for water. Water starts with the letter W. Water. Can you say W? Let's learn the letter X. X is for X-ray. X-ray starts with the letter X. X-ray. Can you say X? Let's learn the letter Y. Y is for yak. Yak starts with the letter Y. Yak. Can you say Y? Let's learn the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra starts with the letter Z. Zebra. Can you say Z? Great job, super readers! Now you know all 26 letters of the alphabet. Keep practicing and soon you'll be reading and writing like a pro. Thanks for learning with me. See you next time.